Hello, children. Welcome to the online class of English. I hope you all are safe and sound at your homes. Children, as you all know that we have already studied about 4 types of determiners, that is articles, demonstratives, possessives and quantifiers. Now today we are going to learn about the remaining type of 3 determiners, that is distributives, numerals and interrogatives. Remember that there are total 7 different types of determiners. Now without wasting any time, let's get started. Distributive determiners. A distributive determiner is used to refer to each individual of a group or class and not to a group or class collectively. Means when we are using distributive determiner, we mean to refer to each individual or group separately and not to the whole group. Sometimes distributives are also considered as quantifiers. Children, when we learned about quantifiers, at that time also I told you that sometimes distributives are also considered as quantifiers. The words like all, both, each, every, either, neither, one, other, another are used as distributive determiners. Now let us learn how to use these words separately. The first one is all. All can be used before a countable or an uncountable noun. It is used to refer to the whole quantity. So all is used to refer to the whole quantity. यानी जब हमने पूरी की पूरी quantity को refer करना हो, and all word is used for both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, all the boys went out of the restaurant. Otherwise also we can say like all the boys, all the students, all the girls, all the members of the family. Means we want to refer to each and every member of that group. Each marks a number of persons or things within a group but considered individually. It refers to the persons or things of a group, but they all are considered individually. For example, each of the students has 3 books. हर एक student के पास 3 books है. Means when we want to refer to each student separately. Each one of you needs to write a description. Each one of you means हर एक needs to write a description. The next is every. Every is used when the group is considered as a unit. हम every का use तब करते हैं जब हम उस group को as a unit मतलब complete group को refer करते हैं. Children, each is used in a smaller context, whereas every is used in a larger context, right? For example, every day there is a lot of work to be done. Means हर रोज. अब मतलब n number of days, right? So it is referring to a large number. The next is there is a bus every 2 hours. Means after every 2 hours. हर दो घंटे के बाद. Means indefinite number, right? So every is used in a larger context. Both is used in the sense of each of the two. So children, when we use both, we mean to refer to 2 people and we mean to each of them. We mean to refer to each one of them, right? It takes a plural verb, and whenever we use both, we use a plural verb with it. For example, both of them come from the same place. Second example is he is both a preacher and a reformer. The next is either. Either means any one of the group. Means दोनों में से कोई एक. It is followed by or. और ज़्यादातर either के बाद or लगता है. It takes a singular verb, and whenever we use either, we use a singular verb after it. For example, there were trees on either side of the road, or you can go either by bus or by train. The next is neither. It means none within the group. Means कोई भी नहीं. Either means दोनों में से कोई एक, and neither means कोई भी नहीं. It takes a singular verb, and we use singular verb with neither also, and neither is followed by nor. For example, neither failures nor discouragement could stop him. 1. It is used when we want to refer to a particular member of the group. मतलब ग्रुप के बारे में बात करें बट उनमें से किसी एक को हम रेफ़र कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, शी वॉज टेकन केयर ऑफ बाय वन ऑफ हर फ्रेंड्स. यानी फ्रेंड्स तो बहुत सारी हैं बट उनमें से किसी एक फ्रेंड ने उसका ध्यान रखा. सो द सेंटेंस इज शी वॉज टेकन केयर ऑफ बाय वन ऑफ हर फ्रेंड्स. उसकी एक फ्रेंड ने उसका ध्यान रखा. द नेक्स्ट इज another. Another is used with singular countable noun to talk about an additional person or thing of the same type as has already been mentioned. मतलब उसी टाइप की एक और चीज़. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, वुड यू लाइक टू हैव another cup of coffee? मीन्स कॉफ़ी पहले पी ली है, अब एक और कप कॉफ़ी का ही लेना है. सो देन वी विल यूज़ another, right? The next is other. It is used with plural nouns or sometimes with uncountable nouns. For example, let us go to some other restaurant. Children, there is difference between other and another. Other means to something different, कोई और हट के. But another is used when we refer to the another thing of the same type, जब उसी टाइप की एक और चीज़. अदर हम यूज़ करते हैं जब हम किसी डिफरेंट थिंग को रेफ़र करते हैं. एंड इट इज़ यूज्ड विद प्लूरल नाउन्स एंड समटाइम्स विद अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. द नेक्स्ट इज मोस्ट. Most indicates nearly all of the group or amount. Most रेफ़र करते हैं, मतलब अगर हम सपोज एक ग्रुप या अमाउंट की बात करें तो मतलब almost all of that, whatever is there. Most of the students scored above 90% in my class. Means ज़्यादातर. जब आप कहते हो कि अब सबके नहीं, अगर सबके बोलना होगा तो हम बोलेंगे all of the students have scored above 90%. लेकिन यहाँ पर हम कह रहे हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. मोस्ट ऑफ द मीन्स ज़्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स ने स्कोर किया अबव 90%. नेक्स्ट इज़ सेवरल. इज सजेस्ट नंबर एंड इज़ यूज्ड बिफोर काउंटेबल नाउन्स. सेवरल नंबर को रेफ़र करता है एंड इट इज़ यूज्ड बिफोर काउंटेबल nouns. For example, he has written several novels. Several, children, is used in the sense of many. जैसे हम many word use करते हैं ना बहुत सारे के लिए, in the similar way several is also used in the same sense. The next is enough. Enough is used before uncountable nouns. Children, enough word हम uncountable nouns से पहले use करते हैं और plural nouns to say that there is as much of something as is needed. और इसका मतलब होता है कि जो भी चीज़ चाहिए that is available in sufficient amount. For example, I have taken enough of your time. मतलब मैंने तुम्हारा काफ़ी टाइम ले लिया. Sufficient amount of time I have taken. The next type of determiner is numerals. Numerals are placed before nouns. There are two types of numerals, that is cardinals and ordinals. Cardinals, C for cardinals and C for counting. चिल्ड्रन, ईजी आपके लिए बनाने के लिए मैं सिंपल सा फॉर्मूला बता रही हूँ. C for cardinal, C for counting. यानी काउंटिंग के जितने भी नंबर्स हैं ना 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. they are used as cardinal numbers and they express quantity. Right? They tell us how many. For example, 1 bag or 2 pencils. The next one is ordinals. Ordinals with O it is ordinals and with O it is the word order. So ordinals tell us the order of the noun. For example, first, second, third etc. It tells us the order of the things in a sequence. For example, first block, second branch etc. The last and the seventh type of determiner is the interrogative determiners. Interrogative determiners are used to ask questions regarding a noun. There are three words that are used as interrogative determiners, and these are which, what, and whose. They are used to frame questions and exclamations. For example, whose work are you completing? What reason did he give this time for being late? Which two dresses have you finalized? Do you know which contestant came first? I don't know what gift to buy for her. Now let's take a quick recap at whatever we have learned. First of all, what are determiners? Determiners are the words that point to the noun that is being referred to, but remember that determiners only specify the noun but do not describe it. The most common determiners are the articles, that is a and. The a and an are indefinite articles, and the is the definite article. The next is the possessive determiners. Possessive determiners show the possession or belongingness. The words such as my, our, your, his, her, its, and their, these are used as possessive determiners. The third one is demonstrative determiners. The words such as this, that, these, and those are used as demonstrative determiners. These demonstrative determiners are used to refer, or you can say to point out to the noun that is being referred to. The next, that is the fourth type, is the quantifiers. Quantifiers tell us how much or how many. The words such as some, any, much, many, etc. are used as quantifiers. The next is the numerals. Numerals are placed before nouns, and they are of two types, that is ordinals and cardinals. Then comes the sixth type, that is distributives. The words like all, both, each, every, either, neither, one, other, another, most, etc. are used as distributive determiners. The last one is interrogatives. The words like which, what, and whose are the interrogatives determiners, and they inquire about a thing or person. Thank you so much, children, for watching my video till the end. I hope that the topic of determiners is clear to you, and now you will be able to make use of the different determiners in a perfect way. So for better understanding, please do practice in your BBCs. Thank you so much once again for watching this video.